it's made Killer Fox 2002 and black sniper rifle with a cameraman. And I am here to show you the Recon CS6. As you can see, it comes with a laser, which you can see in the dark, know where you're aiming at, which you can just slide it off or slide it back on. And as you can see, this is also, you can switch modes on, like you can take the front off, and this is another type of gun, and take that off, and it's pistol form. And it works really well. And if you pull this back and you pull that little button back, you can slide this out, and this clip can hold about 6 to 5 darts in it. And just put it back on and slide it up. It shoots pretty fast though, but it's very good if you're new to Nerf guns. This would be the best first gun you could get, but it wasn't mine. My first gun was a little tiny pistol, which I didn't know what it was called though. But just to say, the power is like 3. Length is at least 6 or 5. Speed 6 or 7. That's all we have today. Bye.